Welcome back, dear students. As we are discussing the previous year question of DU entrance test 2019 subject botany. In this video, we are going to introduce question number 81 to 90. So, welcome to IFS Online. IFS is India's #1 institute for the preparation of various types of competitive examinations. So, dear students, now IFS is not restricted only for CSIR NET set examination preparation. Now, IFS providing the various types of courses in a various types of fields. So, now IFS is providing the various courses like CSIR NET set examination, GATE examination, IIT JAM, DBT, NEET examination, general aptitude, and various types of courses are now available over here in the various subjects like life science, chemical science, mathematical science, physical science. And that's why we should remember, dear students, now IFS for all. IFS is providing maximum courses which can help you to achieve your dreams, you can achieve your goals. So enroll with us and achieve your dreams, achieve your goals in a very limited time. So you can improve your future, you can enhance your future with IFS. So share this information with your dear friends, with your relatives. That is now IFS for all. You can prepare for any course with IFS. As the thousands of students they qualify the various competitive exams, this is the result only and only of GATE 2020. Similarly, thousands of students they qualify the various national level examination and they achieve their dreams, they achieve their goals in an excellent way with IFS. You can also be a part of IFS. You can also achieve your dreams, your goals with IFS in a very short duration. So share this valuable information with all your dear friends. Now, why students they achieve their dreams in a very excellent way with a very good ranking with excellent marks? It is because of the excellent faculties of IFS. IFS have well qualified, well renowned, expert, and well experienced faculties. So, dear students, it is a very valuable information. So you can share this information. You have to share this information with your friends and all other needy students so they can achieve their goals, their dreams in a very short time duration. Let's introduce the question. This question is now from the molecular part. So remember, dear students, as we know, the in DU entrance test, the questions are coming from the various sections. Here, from question number 81 to question number 90, we'll generally see that these questions will be from the molecular part as well as from the applied part. So let's see the questions. Two different DNA molecules were isolated from the bacterial sample. Further experiment demonstrated that one of this X was composed of, first molecule that is X, composed of 40% adenine, 40% guanine, 10% thymine and 10% cytosine, but could not be cut by exonuclease. So it cannot be cut by exonuclease. Now next, that is the second DNA sample, that is Y, can be cut by exonuclease, okay, was found in, that is 30% adenine, 30% thymine, 20% guanine and 20% cytosine. So by observing, by reading this information, we have to conclude some information from that. If the DNA is not cutted by exonuclease, it means the DNA is circular. That means X should be circular. So X should be circular. X has single stranded and circular structure. So circular वाले जो भी options होंगे दैट शुड बी द करेक्ट। ये भी रॉन्ग हो गया क्योंकि ये लीनियर बता रहा है। वाई सर्कुलर नहीं है क्योंकि एक्सोन्यूक्लियस एक्टिविटी यहाँ पर काम करती है, तो इट शुड बी लीनियर। सो यहाँ पर सर्कुलर लिख रखा है, ये स्टेटमेंट भी गया। एक्स शुड बी लीनियर, अगेन इट इज रॉन्ग। तो ऐसे भी आंसर आ गया है, या फिर बाकी के इंफॉर्मेशन के अकॉर्डिंगली भी हम जा सकते हैं। So always adenine it have to bind with a thymine. So they have to present in a equal amount in double stranded DNA. And if they are not present in the same amount, it means that DNA is not a double stranded DNA, it is single stranded DNA. So 40% adenine and 10% thymine, that means it is single stranded DNA. So X is a single stranded, yes, it is true, it is single stranded DNA. And Y is having an equal amount of A and T, so it is a double stranded DNA, but that type of information is not given. So we have got our answer. Next question is from the PCR. Again, very easy question. We have to identify the marker, which two type of markers can be applied for the PCR process. And very simple answer is the first one. This should get bind with this portion. It can bind with this portion. So 3 prime, here the 5 prime will be there, and this should be the orientation of this primer. And the complementary strand which will get formed exactly at the opposite. Here that is 3 prime to 5 prime. On this particular side, this particular primer can bind. So likewise, you can just see this sequence and you can identify which primer can bind in which direction. So this primer can bind in a 5 prime to 3 prime direction. So forward and backward primers likewise. So this is the very easy question from the PCR part. Next question is from applied part, the plant tissue culture having a cytokinin, high cytokinin and auxin ratio. If the cytokinin is high present and auxin is present in a low quantity, it will promote a shoot formation. Which one of the following gene does not confer resistance to herbicide? This particular gene is mainly responsible for the antibiotic resistance, kanamycin. So all remaining genes are of herbicide resistant, but NPT2 gene is antibiotic resistant gene. So the answer should be D. Which one of the following statement about cDNA library is not correct? Again, we have to identify not correct about cDNA library. cDNA library, which is a library which store the complementary DNA copies. So they are generally composed of larger fragments compared to genomic libraries. This is wrong because genomic libraries, they store the very large size of DNA, that is the total genome of an organism. So the sequences which is deposited in a genomic library, it is bigger than the complementary DNA library. This statement is straightforward wrong, and that's why it is the answer. Rest of those statements are true. Just read those statements once. Next question, which one of the following crops was first to have its nuclear genome sequence? Remember, the question is about crop. If this question is about the plant, then the answer should be Arabidopsis thaliana. But it is for the crops. So the first crop which was completely sequenced, that is rice. So rice is the crop which has its complete nuclear genomic sequence, which was sequenced first. Next question, the term biofarming. What is exactly the biofarming? Again, this is the applied part. And biofarming literally means if we are getting any kind of products from the genetically modified organisms, the product, it may be the pharmaceutical product or any other type of product. So genetically modified food from the plant, no, this is the biofortified food. So it is not a biofarming. Synthesis of drugs and from the transgenic plants and animals, yes, it is true. It should be the answer. Recombinant drugs from the bacteria. Recombinant drugs from the bacteria, but again the information is not correct. So this is the much better option. The large scale farming of medicine, no, this is So the B is a much better option. Synthesis of drugs from the transgenic, yes, transgenic plants and animals. Which of the following is the regulatory body confirming approval of transgenic plants? So this is the body, that is Genetic Engineering Approval Committee, which is dealing with the approval of any genetically modified organism. Next question, identify the incorrect combination of the following. Now in this case, certain works are given and the scientist name is given. We have to identify incorrect combination, and soma clonal variation, this combination is incorrect. Rest of the combinations are correct. So it is an information based question. If you know the information, you can solve or leave such type of questions, avoid a negative marking. Next question, similarity resulting from the common ancestor is called. If some species they are having some similar features which is transferred or inherited from some common ancestor, such kind of similarity showing features are a homology showing features. So again, these all questions are from the applied part, applied biology as well as the molecular part. So this portion is also very important for the examination. So likewise, these are the next 10 questions. So thank you dear students. Thank you so much.